Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem. Number 2. The average of 5 different counting numbers is 20. What is the highest possible value that one of the numbers can have? Okay, so the choices are 20, 40, 30, and 90. So in this case, we have given the average that is 20, and also we know that there are 5 different counting numbers. Okay, there are 5, and the findings is what's the highest possible value of the 5 different counting numbers. Okay, what's the highest possible value that the one of the 5 different counting numbers can have? Okay, so we will be assuming the value of 5 different counting numbers as 1, 2, 3, and n. So we put n here because we don't know the highest possible value. Okay, highest possible value of one of the numbers, one of the 5 different numbers. Okay, so since we have the average that is 20, so let's put the idea of the formula, the procedures of finding the average. Okay, so we have here, just add 1, 2, 3, 4, and n, and divide them by 5. That the equal is 20. Okay, so that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n is equal over 5 is equal to 20. Okay, 20 because that is the average. So just add the numerator 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n, so that is equal to 10 plus n over 5, that is equal to 20. So just multiply the denominator 5 by 20, or just cross multiply it. Okay, just cross multiply that one. So we have 10 plus n is equal to 20 plus 20 multiplied by 5. So if we multiply 20 by 5, that is equal to 100. Okay, so in this case we will be subtracting both sides by 10. Okay, so for the 10 in the left side to be 0. Okay, so our aim for this is to remain the letter n, or the variable in the left side. Okay, so just subtract both sides by 10. So 10 minus 10 plus n is equal to 100 minus 10. So if we subtract that, so we will have n plus n is equal to 90. Okay, because 100 minus 10 is 90. So the highest possible value that one of the numbers can have is 90. Okay, that is 90. And that's all. Thank you for watching.